Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw in our title, we will be unboxing our last Allure beauty box of 2024. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below, including a $10 off code on your first box. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get into this box and find out exactly what's in here. Now the first thing that we pull out is our Allure beauty box little magazine. So it says Happy Holidays from the Allure beauty box, and on the inside it says the bright side. There are things I love about winter, like making fires and taking my kids outside to play in the snow. And then there are the things I could do without, like coming back from the snow with chapped skin and scarf knotted hair. So the products in our December box are all geared towards keeping your hair and skin, including your lips and hands, healthier and more radiant this season. Okay, so the very first item, well, it's not even an item, it's an information card, and it talks about the GQ box. All right, it says give the gift of year-round style. So they're introducing the men's version. So if you want more information about that, it's in here as well. Okay, so when we open the paper, the very first item that we have is by Tarte, and this is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream, and the shade that I have is Cranberry. Now, this was one of the ones where we got to personalize it and choose the shade that we wanted. I'm not sure I picked Cranberry, but nonetheless, it looks beautiful. Okay. Now it says why you'll love it. Inside this slim bullet, you'll find a hybrid softening balm and satiny lipstick for moisturizing color with a very pretty sheen. Now this is what the outer packaging looks like. Of course, it says that this one is a cruelty-free and vegan product. It does have a 12-month shelf life. So, as I stated, this is the outer packaging. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Okay, this is what the inside packaging looks like. It says the slender shape of the bullet makes for extra precise application, and you get to pick the shade, as I stated. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product, which just so happens to be a full-size product, is $26. And if you want to try it out for yourself, there is also a code in here to get 20% off on their website. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Oh yes, we will be swatching this. This is beautiful. Okay, but of course, you know, we swatch at the end. So this one is item number 1. The next item that we have is this one right here, and it is by Grown Alchemist, and it says this one is the HYDRA-RESTORE Day Cream. Now this one is also a full-size product, and it's coming in at 65 milliliters. All right, this is the outer packaging, and let's just see what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, it's a nice size tube, and it looks like this. All right, and it has a 12-month shelf life, and let's see what this is all about. It says it sinks in quickly, so it's easy to blend over your skin and doesn't leave a tacky or sticky finish. It's so elegant, you'd barely know it was on, except that your skin is softer and more hydrated thanks to the ingredients like grapeseed and jojoba seed oil. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product, coming in at a full size, y'all, is $50. There's also a 25% off coupon in this month's Allure Beauty box and on their website. Okay, now I'm very interested to see a HYDRA-RESTORE Day Cream. And I do love the fact that it's in a package where you're going to get every drop out of it. Just roll it up and keep it moving. So this one is item number 2. Now, the box is paid for 3 times over. How about that? Then, the next item that we have is also a full-size product. Now, I need to kind of say bear with me about the name because I want to pronounce it correctly. And it says it's Palmy Renewing Hand Serum. And it says proof that hand cream doesn't have to be utilitarian. Okay. This one is packed with the kind of skin-loving ingredients you'd normally find in a good face cream. There's vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid to help even out skin tone, fading brown spots on the hands, while tons of oil like safflower, jojoba seed, lavender, rosemary, and more make the blend extra moisturizing. Now this one is a 60 ml size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $42, but there's also a 20% off coupon for this one. Now, I find this to be very interesting because it is a serum and not just a moisturizer or cream. Now, it says it is a cruelty-free product. It is vegan with no artificial fragrance and no silicone, and it is paraben-free. And this one has a 24-month shelf life. I think we may have to try this one out in the end as well. I just washed my hands again, so a little bit of a moisturizing serum would be wonderful. All right, so that one is item number 3. And we're going to keep it moving. The next one is a travel or sample size. And this one is the Sephora Collection Super Glow Serum with vitamin C and E. Now, it says it's the time of year when skin needs a little more help in the radiance department, and that's where this vitamin C and E serum comes in. The antioxidant duo is brilliant, literally. It helps to brighten skin and protects against free radicals. Vitamin E is a unique antioxidant that also hydrates. Now, this one is an 8 milliliter size. So no, this of course is not the full size product. But if you were to get the full size product, it would be 30 mils and the price on it would be $21. Now, of course, it's Sephora, so the place to purchase it is Sephora. Now, these words are quite small. I'm sure you can imagine. But one thing I can get out of this is the fact that it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, let's keep going. Now, why didn't y'all tell me that strap was showing? Nobody said anything. You just sat there and let me look like this. The next item that we have is by the company Innisfree. Innisfree. I don't think I've ever heard of this company, but that doesn't mean anything. And this is a daily UV defense mineral sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 45. Now, yes, it's winter, but you still need an SPF. Yes, we do. All of us. The sun is no respecter of persons, okay? So it says, even in winter, you need sunscreen daily. See, I told you. And this mineral option is a pleasure to wear. It protects against UV rays without leaving a white cast on the skin. The soft green tint is undetectable and helps even out redness. Alrighty. This one is a 10 milliliter size and it has a satin finish. Now, this is kind of interesting when a product in a beauty box has drug facts on it. See that? But all the information is there. So let's just look at the inside. Let's just look at the inside product, okay? Or packaging, rather. And it looks like this. Now, it says that this one helps prevent sunburn. And let's see. Oh, this is a Korean product. And the expiration date on this one is January 16th, 2026. It's printed right across the top. So if you were to get this product, even if it's in the large one, check the grooved bottom of the packaging. Now it says this particular one is a 10 milliliter size, but if you were to get the full size, it would be 50 milliliters. And the retail price is $22. How about that? Can't pass up a sunscreen, that's for sure. So, and it's small enough where you can kind of tuck it in your bag if need be, but great to travel with. Okay. The last product in the box is by Maria Nilla. And it's this one right here. And this is a true soft argan oil. This is a hair product. It says the antidote to dull, staticky winter hair. I'm sorry, I just had a picture in my mind. Somebody whose hair was all over the... Okay, anyway. It says the antidote to dull, staticky winter hair is this easy to spread formula with argan and grapeseed oils. There is a typo in here, but I'm not... Anyway, with argan and grapeseed oils that's light yet moisturizing. It forms a super fine frizz protective coating with dimethylicanol. Okay. For hair that's smoother and shinier all day long. It's a nice bonus. You can use it after washing your hair and also as a finisher on dry hair. That's pretty good. When you need it and when you need a little something, something. That's what it said. I didn't say that. That's what the mini magazine says. Now, this one is a 30 milliliter size, but if you were to get the full size product, it would come as 100 milliliters and the manufacturer suggested retail price on it would be $39.90. And there is a coupon code if you desire to, but you must use it before January the 31st. Now, according to the bottle, it says this is a 100% vegan Color Guard Complex. So that's this one right here. And we are at the end. Let me see what kind of shelf life this has. It has a 12-month shelf life. So I'm pretty sure this is something that I would be using right about now. I'm just checking. No, well, I know that this is one my daughter would not be using because it has coconut in it. So nonetheless, what do you think? We received 6 products, 3 of which were full size. And those 3 alone really took care of the price of this box and some. But let's see, what do we want to swatch or check? Now, I will tell you this. I am excited to try this Renewing Hand Serum. Okay, so we're going to try that out first. When we take the top off, this is the way it's dispensed. We put just a little bit. Okay, so we put this amount. And it's nice and thick. It's not thin and runny because it did not drip right out of my hand. Oh my goodness, this feels so nice. But it does have a medicinal type of a smell. Nonetheless, it feels really nice going on my skin. And my skin actually looks nice again. Okay, so that was the Pommy Renewing Hand Serum. This is the first item that we tried. And the last thing we're going to swatch is this beautiful tart lippy. And this is cranberry. Ooh. And that's what the cranberry looks like. What are your thoughts? I like it. It would have looked nice right along with this that I have on. I mean, it's almost a perfect match. Oh, yeah. I like. All right. So let me know your thoughts down below. This was an exceptional box. I think we're going out rather nicely. I can appreciate the items that we have received this year in our Allure Beauty boxes. I think we only, I have to go back and check and see when we renewed our subscription to this box, but I believe it was worth it to get these items this year. We received wonderful ones, wonderful products in these boxes, and I'm looking forward to see what it's going to be like for 2025. Okay, well, I want to tell you I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed the last Allure Beauty box of 2024. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for the full-size products that were included. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. You know we'd love to have you. And it is so budget friendly because it is free. Now, share this video. Share the Allure Beauty Box experience with someone else you know. Or someone else who may have wanted to try something that was in this box, or if it's something that you think they could appreciate. Now, I have to tell you, this is still feeling really nice and it's not sticky. My fingers are not sticking together at all. It feels really nice. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.